In this lesson, we're going to learn how to include these sweet looking icons here in our site. So what this is called is Font Awesome. And technically, it's not a font. It's actually a set of scalable vector icons. But Font Awesome is what it's called. Let's go ahead and download it. And what we're going to do is we're going to just rename this to just Font Awesome. So rename it, enter, and we're going to insert it into our fonts folder here. And actually, we're not using glyphicons, although they come with Bootstrap, so we can delete all of these glyphicon files right here. Beautiful. And like I said before, that Font Awesome is technically not a font, so it's going to be similar to the way we brought in fonts before, but it's also going to be a little different. So we have Font Awesome in our directory, so you should see it under fonts now. Then let's go over here to get started. And we're going to use this easy default CSS. So we're going to copy the entire Font Awesome directory into our project, and now in the head of our HTML, we're going to reference the location to this fontawesome.min.css file. So go ahead and copy this. We'll go up here. This is our Google Arvo font. We'll edit this comment and say, and Font Awesome. Now, include this Font Awesome. And let's go ahead and take down both of these. So we know it's in our fonts folder, and we're in the first site folder. So let's go ahead and say fonts, go in. And luckily, we've named it Font Awesome. So now we found a Font Awesome folder. We're going to go into that. Now there's a CSS folder here with the Font Awesome. And then fontawesome.min. Beautiful. Save it. Now, what does it say to do? Check out the examples to start using Font Awesome. And the easiest way to make sure you included it correctly is just to grab this little icon right here with its opening and closing tags. And we're just going to put it, we want it above, we're going to be putting these icons above students, educators, and sponsors, as you can see here. So let's go ahead and put it above students right now. Boom. Paste it, save it, reload the page, and nice. You should have this icon right here. Okay, so now what do we do? Well, we want to find the right type of icon. So you have these icons right here. So let's click on this. And I like, when I come to Font Awesome, since there's so many icons to choose from, what I do is I do Control F. It brings up this little find bar up here. I'm sure on PC I do Command F on a Mac. On PC, I'm sure it's Control F. And I think of different words for the type of symbols we're looking for. So we're looking for students. So it could be student, no, not that. Could be person, no, no person. We got male, maybe. Oh, we got female right there. Sure, we have male somewhere too. Male. And also another common one is user. So we have user right here. And we could do users as well. So what this is, FA user. So we're going to come over here and we're going to change this FA camera retro to FA user. So save it, reload this page here, and now we have this user icon. Now, we have the right icon, and I want the icons to be white though with this dark gray circle around it. So we're going to come down here, and you have all these examples. I'm under the examples tab here. And we have inline, larger, fixed width, list icons, bordered, spinning, rotate, stacked icons. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. This is new to the newest version of Font Awesome right here. And we are going to grab this span right here. And I'll talk to you about spans here in a second, but spans are just like divs, but spans help style inline elements. So we're going to bring this over here. Let's go ahead and push enter. Highlight these three, indent them in. Save it. Reload. All right, cool. So now we have this flag with this dark circle background here, and you can see how these are on the same line because icons, the I tags here, are inline elements. So we can go ahead and change this flag to user. Delete this up here. Oh, did the wrong thing. Delete this. There we go. Now reload it. All right, beautiful. So you have the user, you have a dark gray background. Now we want to change the size. In order to do that, go up here and you have different sizes of icons. So you have large, you have 2 times, 3x, 4x, 5x. So I want probably about this size, so we're going to go the 4x, which is fourth one down here, and we see it's 4x instead of LG. So we come back over here and see where it says LG. We're going to say 4x. Now, if we save it, come back over here, that is just the right size as this is over here. Awesome. So what we can do, since we know this looks good, we're going to go ahead and copy this. We should have 3 coming across the top now. And let's find the right icons for these two, for educators and sponsors. So let's go back up here to icons. I told you my little trick before. So we're looking for educators right now. So let's think, I doubt there's going to be educator. Nope. Doubt there's going to be teacher. Nope. What about school? No school. Pencil. All right. So obviously I knew it was going to be pencil, but I just want to show you how the thought process goes in on that. So we have pencil for that one. Oh, second one, sorry. One right above educators. And then for this one, I think it was dollar. Yep. Nope, money. You can see the money tab right there. So for a sponsor, we want them to give money. Maybe time would be another one. But we'll go with money. Save it. Reload the page. Nice. We have our icons. We know how to bring Font Awesome into any site we want, which this is actually a really powerful font here because you get like what would cost hundreds of dollars of professional icons from a graphic designer for free at your disposal, and it makes your site look very professional. And now I'm going to take some time to talk about spans.